Hey, what's going on, my internet friends? Hope you guys doing very well. Thank you very much for tuning in, and thank you for commenting every single my videos. I love to reading your comments, guys, and when you guys fighting with each other is the next level. The best thing I love in this channel is the guys you commenting for each other's comment, like answering the question. That's the best part. Thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of car audios and car electronics review. My channel was the beginning for the car reviews, but I don't know, I switched to the music the most. While I'm recording DEF bound speakers comparison with the other ones, I came a very interesting idea, right? I'm gonna show you right now. It's on the screen, and I was looking very nice speaker, a very good sound speaker, which will destroy all the speakers I'm reviewing. Like, it's gonna be like a best of the best speaker in the planet. And I find this guy right here. It's called Focal Audio, right? It's perfect. 2 speakers, 2 crossovers, 2 tweeters, and it's cost only how much? You see that price? Only $1,400. Nothing, right? So this is a Focal speaker with the good reviews everywhere on the internet. When you see the Focal audios, they have a very good, everybody's happy, like guys is installing Focal speakers. They have a different range of speakers, and they're all happy. When you see these components, it's nothing like fancy, nothing crazy. Maybe it's like a tweeter is like made from dinosaurs' bones, but these, the muffler is made maybe, I don't know, crocodile skin. If you read, they have a lot of information, like, to be honest, right? And I'm the guy, regular guy. I have a regular car just like you, nothing fancy. I don't have millions of dollars. I already installed nice sound system to my vehicle. So I went to internet without the blind. I don't know nothing. So I came to cross to this guy. All right, I need the two 6.5 speakers, and DS18 is offering me 2 6.5 speakers with built-in, the tweeters. It will be sound a lot higher, and they have all kind of nice stuff. It's only $90 per single speaker. All right, I buy the 4 of them, not 2. Look, I buy the 4 of them because I have a $1,400 in my account is laying down, so I have to do something nice. So I went to DS18 2 tweeters. These tweeters I tested, that's why I like them. For the price, is very good tweeters. We're gonna buy 2 pair, right? It's gonna be like $26 each, so not bad. We're gonna add this to the bag. What I did, I add 2 tweeters. These tweeters, I test them, like personally. I was listening the next to it with the different tweeters. So this tweeters sounds very nice for the price. So I'm getting these tweeters, 2 of them. So I need the amplifier, right? Because I have a 4 6.5 speakers, 2 tweeters. I have to amplify with something. And when I look to the amplifiers, DS18 is like, they're offering 6-channel amplifier. Who offers that 6-channel amplifier? 1800 watt maximum power. So we're gonna see what's going on here. So 14.5. This amplifier, again, the amplifier comes with the remote bass knob, so it's gonna be the separate output, like always, for the subwoofers. Oh, nice. These DS18 only $18. So what are we gonna do? We have enough money, right? We can buy 10-inch Elite DS18 subwoofer. We're gonna add to the shopping bag because it's only left 14 pieces. So this subwoofer is a 1500 watt maximum, 750 watt RMS. This is beautiful, gigantic 10-inch subwoofer. All right, we bought that. We need the subwoofer box, right here. It's easy, ported, because I like the soft, nice, punchy bass. So this subwoofer is like for $40, and free shipping is like just a steal. You can't get wrong with this. So that's it. So we have this, and you guys can tell like, oh my god, how are you gonna install it? I have a wires to installation, right? It's not the best on the market, but you know, everybody likes that. It's enough wires. Maybe I'm gonna add a little bit wires. All my installation guys will throw the couple wires because I'm paying for them for the installation, right? Ratings, reviews is very nice. A lot of people happy with this. It's and only $23. Of course, we're gonna add it. So now you can say the mic, you know, it's like you comparing not the apple to apple. It's not interesting to compare apple to apple. We're gonna compare $1,400 versus $1,400. $1,400, 50% maybe is gonna go to advertising. Maybe everything is gonna go to the product, right? So we're gonna start thinking the different way. I'm the car guy. I need a nice sound system. I can afford $1,400 two speaker, but if I use my brain, it's gonna be different way. So DS18 just recently launched, you know, nice DSP. You can control, it's a 4-way DSP. You can control a lot of things on this. Personally, I didn't test it, but the reviews are good. A little pricey, $269. But do you guys have it money? Of course, right? We have a leftovers. So now, you see, I can buy the different stuff right here. I can buy the 5-way, but I'm gonna stick with a little bit 4 ways because subwoofer I don't need it. I'm gonna adjust with my amplifier. The main 4 speakers, maybe I'm gonna adjust with my tweeters, right? As you can control the equalizer if you want, but listen, now it's enough. It's enough. Like, we're gonna calm down. So we're gonna open our shopping bag and review we had too much tweeters. Let's take it 4 tweeters, 4 speakers. It's gonna be too much, but listen, we have money to spend. So let's do it now. Our total is gonna be $1,028. Of course, it's gonna be less because we have only 1 speaker left here. So $90, another 3 speakers is gonna be $270. If we add the $270 for that, it's gonna be exactly $1,300, little cheap. So we have $100 tip for your installation, guys. If you install that, you save the money. If you, like me, you know, you're tired already. Back in the days, you do a lot of stuff. Now you don't want to do, you know, the wiring, all that stuff. You pay like for the installation guys, and that $100, you're gonna give them the tip, and they will be more than happy. Now, biggest question, guys. All the focal users, all that stuff. Of course, they're gonna hate the channel. They're gonna destroy with the dislikes. But listen, we are normal people, not the, you know, the millionaires. We're not gonna throw our cash, you know. But I have a question. Whose sound system now is gonna be better sounding and the louder sounding and a lot cleaner sounding? Your 2 speakers or my 4 speakers, 4 tweeters, amplifier, subwoofer, wiring connect with everything. You see that? You see this? You understand, right, what I'm trying to say? So if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do a lot of crazy stuff. If you like these kind of videos, let me know. I'm gonna run another, you know, the companies. Maybe Bose, maybe it's tons of companies, like a lot of people is paying over for the speakers. But here's the recap. So we have 2 tweeters, $26. We have another 2 tweeters from different seller, right? So these guys gonna go to the back. This bigger brother is gonna go to the front, right? So we have 2 tweeters. 4 speakers, also built-in tweeters. You can tune these speakers to make a lot, you know, a little bit punchier sound. And this speaker will handle the, you know, the sound. I personally hear this speaker has the sound, but I never tested my channel. But a friend of mine has these speakers, so I like those speakers for the price. We have a very nice amplifier, Candy 6. So it's like candy. We have a really nice 10-inch subwoofer. A lot of people likes this. You see on the YouTube, if you go to YouTube and put these subwoofers, like a lot of movements going on there. We have a nice subwoofer box, only 39, like 40 bucks is shipped. So everything is shipped to your door, and we have a DSP, right? All right, that's the question, guys, for you. If you like it, thumbs up and share my videos to your friends. If you don't like it, just let me know. And yeah, this is the recap, guys. That's it. $1,400, 4-cal speakers with the 2 crossovers and X-overs, or you know, whatever you call these. 2 tweeters. Maybe the tweeters is a lot. Compare with my whole setup. Right. Alright guys, thank you very much. If you like it, definitely let me know about this video. I'm gonna do subwoofers. I'm gonna do, of course, the different scenarios, different like setups, where you can find, you know, the better way, where you can save money, where you can overpay if you want for the advertising and brand name, right? Thank you for watching. I'm out.